anything, the limit does not exist. The limit does not exist!
These are the entire ingredients that are needed. This is the porridge that I made, as it is the food source for the lactic acid bacteria. Next are radishes and carrots. Then the chopped garlics, onions and gingers, followed by the chopped spring onions and chives. Next, the ever so important Napa cabbage, which has been salted to remove most of its water content. Then the chili paste. And lastly, you combine everything together till everything is well combined, and you let it ferment for at least 24 hours in room temperature. After that, you will have... By fermenting food, you can change the entire taste profile of the dish, just like this simple kimchi recipe I got from Maangchi, which I am sure everyone can make it at home.